venue is a deck at a marina. So we were looking for a shade structure appropriate for that environment.
So is it sort of inspired by some sort of nautical wave?
Yeah, absolutely. A big part of what we do and what all architects do is consider the context. This was designed as a shade structure over principally a dining area. So we needed to make sure that it was fit for purpose during the day, so it provided shade and protection from the rain. And in the evenings, it has heaters and lights and roll-down blinds. Two important factors were the structural components. The marina had high winds, and it was also built on an existing deck which had some questionable structural history, we'll say. And so we needed you guys to provide a really robust structural solution. We also had some compliance issues, which meant that we had to use a non-combustible membrane. So with your help, we were able to find a solution that was both compliant and also satisfied the architect. We found Versatile Structures excellent. They were able to develop a concept into a firm quote, and they were able to engage structural engineers to reinforce the existing deck, as well as to validate the tension membrane structure. The peace of mind that our clients got by having that firm quote was very reassuring for them, and it certainly makes our job easier as well. So as we're administering the contract, there's less surprises and everything tends to happen more smoothly. I was a little surprised by the complexity of what we were proposing, which was perhaps a bit naive to think it was a simple structure. But I learned a lot working with you, particularly about the specific customization of the fabric and the way it's manufactured to sort of pre-form those curves. I can honestly say the result was excellent and surpassed our expectations. So we were really happy and the client was thrilled.